let's go over to another factory that is located in Guangzhou. That is Guangzhou Jointers Chemical Corporation. Hello, hello. Have you come in?
Hello.
Hello. Yes. I am Casey from Lighting. Yes. May I have your name, please? May I have your name, please?
跟大家打声招呼，好，开始。
Hello, hello. Hello.
Yes, and I work for Guangzhou Jointers Chemical Company Limited. And now today I will introduce three parts of this. The first part is our company. The second part is our two hot sealing products. And the third part is how we sell. So let's start it. Okay. First,
sorry. What's your name? May I have your name?
My name is Monica.
Okay, Monica. Now we have 15 minutes. Tell a bit of your company and your products. So we finish the introduction within 15 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, now I'm starting.
Okay, thank you, Monica. Thank you. Go ahead, please.
Thank you. Guangzhou Jointers Chemical Company Limited, founded in 1989, and which is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in development and research, production and sales of environment-friendly sealants and coatings. Jointers is committed to providing the customers with customized solutions. And after more than 30 years of development, Jointers has been listed on the SME board of Shenzhen Stock Exchange in 2017, and the stock code of our company is 002909. And Jointers has two brands in the industry, Antas and Jointers. Antas Sealant is committed to providing customers with high quality, stable, safe, and reliable sealant with the customers. And the main products cover sealant and adhesive for construction, home fit out and refitting, electronic field, automobile phone, and so on. And now I will say something about our product. So I'm going to introduce you with electronic sealant. They are used in a wide range of fields, such as the LED driver, electronics, and the new energy automobile. You will see we have all these kind of products, and such as the silicone coating compound and the silicone adhesive sealant. And this one is a two-component silicone glue. And now I will show these two, this one and this one to you, because this two is our hot sealing product. First of all, this one is silicone coating compound, and is used for the LED drivers, and you can see.
Hello, Monica. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah, here. Yes. Just now, we cannot hear your voice. So now it's okay. Please go ahead.
Oh, it's okay.
Go on.
Oh, it's okay. And you can see these LED drivers, but this is not what LED drivers looks like, because actually in there, they just have some electronic components in here. And this thing is our coating compound. So why would we do that? Why would we have to pulling the coating compound into the LED drivers? The first of all is this one. The LED driver plays a very important role in LED lightings, such as if we have 1,000 watts or 1,200 watts LED lighting, this one is very important, right? And I'll tell you three things about our product. First one is to protect the LED drivers. Why would I say that? And you can see, and we put a lot of things on here, and it can provide the dirt and water out of the hair. If there is a water just through like this, and the water cannot be in here, right? And we all know for electronics things, if there is water in there, there's going to be something wrong with it, right? And this will broke. This one of it. And two is the waterproof, as just as I just said. And the third is the heat dissipation. Because of this one is for just like 1,000 waters or 1,500 waters LED lightings. So this one can make a lot of heat. So it's very important to conduct the heat out of the LED drivers. Yes, so this product is the greatest product I've ever met. And let me tell you something, the inventions, which is one of the most famous LED drivers in the world, has been using our two compound silicon sealant for almost 6 years. And you can see here, this is the Statue of Liberty. Some of the LED drivers that use our coating compound were used in Statue of Liberty in New York. Yes, and we also have some other famous companies that for this product. And the second, say something about our silicone adhesive sealant. This one is used for electronics. Some of them are used in the LED lamp, and you can see here some of them are used in photovoltaic module. This is very hot project, right? We all know because our national Chinese this year just police a lot of police about this, and some of the sealants can use in the cars, bus here. And now I'll tell you how we sell. First, before we sell material, we ask clients for their requirements, and we will recommend the most suitable product for them. But if all our products cannot exactly meet their need, we will discuss with R&D engineer to research the best product for our clients. So sometimes it takes a lot of time to do it because we have to do a lot of experiments, but it is worth it, right? Because we all know the most important thing is to find the right product for our clients. And then when we sell the products, we will teach the clients how to use it, and tell them something they have to notice, because that is very important too. Because if the clients use our product wrong, and maybe there's something wrong with it, okay. And finally, if there has a little problem with the products, the technician will immediately go to the factory to figure out what's going on, what's wrong with the product, and solve the problem. Yes, I'm done with my introduction. So if you have some question, you can ask me. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
I can hear you. Yes. Yes. Monica, thank you for your detailed introduction. It's as we know, the glue is a very important part of the lamps. Yes. I have a few questions. So where is the main market of your product?
Yeah, let me show you our overseas market is here, and you can see just like India, Russia, Australia, or Turkey. Sometimes we just in the Southeast Asian and the Mid East and Europe and Central and South Africa. This is our overseas market, and we also have Alibaba. And we also have our own website. And our own website is www.jointuschemical.com. Yes, that's our website, but we cannot show you here. But here is our overseas market.
Yes. Yeah, we can see that your product are widely used in many countries. So how about the
Yes.
certification? Yeah, we can see your product
Certification, yes, we also
widely
have
used in many countries. Yeah. Can you show us about your certification and the qualification?
Yes, we also have the rose and rich certification for the Europe market, right? Because we also know Europe is very hard on this certification, and because they have such as we have the CE and the rose and rich certification, something like this. And we also have different certification for different area, for different field. Yes, just like this. Just like what I said.
Okay. Thank you, Monica. Well, some customer also very concerned about your minimum order quotation, the NLQ and the lead time. How about it? Hello, Monica.
Can you say that again? I cannot understand this. Please say it again.
Yeah. How about the NOQ and the lead time?
Oh,
Yeah.
and for let's see here. Let's come here. And for the silicon coating compound, the MOQ is 900 kilogram. And for this silicon sealant, the MOQ is 9,000 pieces. Yes, like this. So, do you have any more question about?
Yeah. Just now you give us a detailed introduction. We get a lot of information. Any other else? Do you want to share or next time?
Next time.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Monica. Thank you for your wonderful and your very vivid introduction. Yeah,
Thank
we
you.
know a lot about your company and your products. See you next time. Thank you, Monica.
Bye bye.